Oh yeah, your boy got a camera now. Damn, we got a camera, bro. Got my phone connected to my phone, bro. Phone connected to the laptop, and now I can record. I'm gonna kill your ears in a minute, but gotta get your attention, cause today I'm going over some price action trade we took this morning. Took a short, gave me like 34 handles. You know, always locked in on this trade and stuff, cause whenever we going up, we never going down. And that's good, because we never seeing the ground. Always seeing the stars, the nebulas, the black holes, supernovas, whatever lies in the universe. That's all we're seeing. We're gonna go crazy today. We're going over this price action right now. So here, clearly on the 1 hour. Is this even the right recording? I recorded an hour and 30 of price action? Bro, that's insane. Let me speed this up, cause I know y'all don't want to watch it anyway. So this graded area right here with the Fibonacci is basically the daily wick that we're trading inside of. Here we're trading in a 15-minute SIBI. I ended up labeling it later in the video. Let me just skip ahead. It's gonna be a long time. So right here, let me pause the video right here. Right here, London high. We take London high. I wanted to see lower prices going from here down to this sell side level right here, but that did not happen. Even though this area could be like labeled as a balanced price range, that wasn't in my mind. It was in my mind. It was in my mind, actually. It was, but I just wanted to see that because those lows look too clean, and we're resting inside a busy. I just wanted to see us go down there, and we also have a lot of unfinished business inside this 1 hour inefficiency. So what I really wanted to see is us just come take these highs, drop lower, start attacking sell side, but that did not happen. We did take these the pre-market sell side, which did occur, and we did trade higher. But the thing is, in that area, and that was happening, the market only took that sell side and began rallying off the all-time highs. So I stayed at the market waiting for a short opportunity to present itself, because we're both above both opening prices, so I could expect the short. So I did take a short. It was basically, the short was a retracement to go higher, so I took the retracement to go higher. So that's what I did. So getting into more of the video. Here on ES and NQ we have SMT, body SMT, because you see how on ES we took the highs with the bodies, and on NQ we did a wick. So let's get more forward in this video. Oh, low key, I did label right here as an inverse red gap, because that could have been a 2022 model trade to go lower, but price didn't just want to go there. Just wanted to take the sell side and go higher. How do I speed this up a little bit? Let's see, I had like a short setup presented to do it, but it didn't offer the chance to. So I think this is market open right here. Oh, we did have red folder news. So you see this big run up, this is all red folder news, volatility, taking with the London highs, and we created SMT with ES. Yeah, we did. I think I already said that. More into the video. I got a camera now, bro. That's crazy. Okay, see, this area is the inverse red gap. We trade into it. We're gonna send price lower to sell side using that level. No, not. Yeah. Well, no, I'm confusing it, because we use that level as support later on. That's basically a reclaimed BISI. That's what occurred. Because we rebalanced all this down movement. Okay, first presented for value gap. Okay, so look, as I was saying, market open, we trade down, opening range gap, settlement price, we fill the opening range gap. You got sell side resting there. We're gonna take that sell side out, then we're gonna gyrate, and that gyration of price is basically accumulating orders to go higher. because it stabbed down below the 830 opening. And if you studied the 2022 mentorship, this was in my mind at the time too. I just didn't want to take the long because we had a big run up into manipulating buy side. So I just didn't want to see any long setups. I just wanted to see us go lower, which I'm playing with a Joe bit, by the way. I don't know why. I'm a retard, but but that's what happened. Took our sell side right here. It's pre-market sell side, so I feel like we can go lower and take those sell side resting below the market. Actually, what time were those? I can't go back on. I feel like I go on trading view is gonna lag out my entire system. So here, looking at this, boom, price action. Fill the one that 7% on my phone. Damn, phone need to charge. But then we got this order block over here on top. We start reacting off of that order block as we close into this first presented fair value gap. I wanted to see it stay lower on the half of this first presented fair value gap, but it was just like laying bodies over bodies. But the thing is, notice how we whipped through this sell side level. We did not actually place a body below this sell side level. If you placed it like a good body below that sell side level, that would have indicated continuation, but it did not happen. That's what I really wanted to see, but that was just not budging. It was just wanted to just wick and go higher, which was like kind of not in my mind to see, but it was alright. It was alright, cause I expected we can just go run above this buy side, then start trading lower again, just manipulate highs one more time, but and just stab into a little premium before we do it. So it did not happen. We just kept rallying higher and higher, taking out this buy side over again, cause these are relative equal highs. So if you go more into the video, okay, so I have a body, this body over here labeled on the Fibonacci. I graded it because I wanted to see how price was going to react to it. I wanted to see bodies right here stay below this the mean threshold of the body, but it just kept trading higher. Be making failures to go higher. You stab above this little buy side pool, I guess you can say that. We're just gonna continue higher because we eventually place a body above this, so that's a continuation pattern. We want to go higher. See, we want to go higher. I did not trade that. As I said, we had that big run up. I didn't want to take any longs. So here we go. Cause I know what I'm looking for. I'm not just gonna take a trade without not knowing what I'm looking for. I'm gonna trade what I see in the charts. I'm not gonna trade what I'm not very confident in. See, I am not looking for longs. So here we go, more into the video. Okay, so we leave a body above these highs right here. More continuation as we step into it, using it as a, I guess you can say it as a breaker. Or you can say this level also has open interest because the market does not know how many stops are at this level or how many orders at this level. So we're just going to refer back to these levels to accumulate more orders and take people out the market and put people in the market. That's what happens at these levels. A lot of open interest. The market does not know how many orders or trades are being at this level. You'll be taking the daily wick concentrated encroachment. Here, I'm expecting that we could go lower here from here, but it's not happening. Because as we just kept trading higher into a deeper premium. So here I'm watching this. I think I labeled a 5 minute range on the CB. I see we started reacting bearishly. I was like, okay, it's gonna go lower from here, but it just kept trading. So I just kept waiting, because I also had another idea. I had another idea that we can wick into this inverse value gap and then start trading lower. But it did not happen. We just kept trading lower. Trading higher. And here we got this SIB I have noted on the chart. Take this out. We have an order block there. We just placed through this order block. I was watching it. If it's gonna failure to make a new high. That the failure to make a new high did not occur. We made a new high actually. Let's see, we could read trading. Here we're trading above this old buy side level. We start reacting near this buy side level. We have buy side resting above here. And here I think that's when we made equal highs on the chart right here. Yeah, we made equal highs. We're gonna run above these equal highs. We take them out to market. Don't mind this buy side level. It's not that significant, even although it is equal highs. It's not that significant because I don't think it's really as a key level. So yeah. What else can we say from here? We're gonna, oh yeah, as a notification. Trading higher. Upper quadrant of the wick does not get tagged. This is bearish. We take these equal highs out. We end up creating SMT at these highs over here. So even though this is it's basically a mitigation block, but on ES it's a breaker. This area over here eventually becomes a balanced price range. So in the setup that to go short, price should not return to that level. So here, create this little inverse. I want to see this basically treated as inverse for value gap to go lower, get ran through basically, and use that as resistance. And here we create another range, trading higher. I will enter off this because we have this energetic displacement, market structure shift through these bodies. Order block is completely disrespected. Trade to the mean threshold of this wick. I mean the consequent encroachment of this wick. We're bearish. This is bearish. This is what you want to see. This is good. I trade the first inverse value gap. Make mitigation block right here. This is see how this range becomes a fair value gap. This is basically an institutional order flow entry drill. This is very key. This is what you want to see when you're short. This is very strong. Here, don't mind this order block. This order block has no significant on price no more. So we're trading up and back into here. Mitigation block getting tagged. More areas to enter off the institutional order flow entry drill. CB high, CB low, indicated at CB. Look at the bodies only traded 1 tick or 2 ticks inside this range. This is very bearish. We start to trading below the mean threshold of this order block, soon to become an order block because we got to trade below it. And I had to go pee. I don't know why I typed that. I just had to go pee at that time. Here we're trading this order block, using as resistance. Trading more block used as resistance. What I do on the high time frame? Nothing. So SMC. Oh, I'm talking about my stop placement. So my stop placement is basically above the mitigation block. It should not return here. I ended up reducing the stop. It kind of looks crazy. I ended up reducing the stop. Trust me, I did. So mitigation block, boom, boom. Did I measure the mitigation block? Why did I put the stop there? Did I even move the stop? I think I just entered the trade. I wasn't even thinking about the stop, to be honest. It's kind of crazy. It's a tape read anyways. So I'll do is tape read for 6 months straight. Demo trade for 6 months straight. Then live trade for demo 6 months straight. Let me see why I did that. SMT. Okay. SMT. Inverse or fake gap. Order block. This isn't 2x speed. Oh, I put it in 2x speed. Okay, I did move my stop. It's just right above that mitigation block right here. This first body. I ended up moving the stop, reducing it after I seen this run and use this. After seeing that run below, I moved my stop, like right here. This should be high. What a high of the CB candle. Here we're trading lower, 15-minute CB. Move it, this concentrated clutchman to use that resistance. Trade up higher back into the order block. A partial here because this gap is on the buy side curve, and on the buy side curve we did not really even use this gap. So this gap is basically a I guess you can say a breakaway gap. I don't know what a breakaway gap is for sure, but I know this gap has significant on price because we did not use it yet, and we can basically just be retracing just to rebalance the gaps. We have a low here, trade below the low, 5 minute target. I have a 5 minute target. Reason why I didn't target all the way down here because this area is balanced. You know, for just if this trade was just to be a retracement down to the buy side, we will only retrace so far down just to go higher, just to accumulate these stops and to rebalance these gaps. So here, 5 minute target gets hit. I am on the 1 minute chart though, and I wanted to see here if it would I just wanted to see if it would reach to the first presented fair value gap. So why not? I mean, we've been going up pretty high. Let's just see if we would just trade to the first presented fair value gap high. I trail my stop above that high because, oops, I pulled something up. Oh, what did I do? I put my stop above this order block high because this order block should not be traded through. Since we're bearish, we don't want to see that, and this is a large range candle right here, so I don't want to see it get traded above. But it get traded above, and then stop out soon. I ended the video. Oh shoot, what happened? What happened? Oh man. This is watching from here. So I'll put my, it's not stop out yet, but it's soon to be a stop out. Here. Where to stop out at? There it is. Boom, out the trade. Secure profits. Taperead. Successful. Okay, now I'm going to Discord. Okay. Do again, don't switch. Here's some sauce. If y'all wanted to see some sauce, I got y'all. Y'all got all these notes to study. You can screenshot this. Y'all can even join my server if y'all want to see more sauce. The server is pretty crazy. Full information if y'all want to join. Invite link. Let me see. I'm put in the description. Just copy. What the heck? Invite to the moderator only challenge. What the heck? Why would I even do that? Invite people. I don't want to invite them to the moderator only challenge, bro. What the heck? Never expire. Generate a new link. Copy. Okay, I'm sending it in the chat. Here we go. Join it. Let's get it. 100 members by the end of this year. In this server. So, I'm in the video here. I'll make a video soon, maybe later. Maybe I'll live stream. Maybe I should start live streaming, to be honest. I might do that. Just live stream some gaming videos or something when I'm not doing anything. So I'm in the video here.